Welcome back to San Joaquin Audit. Today's video comes to you from a new channel by the name of Tito Cruz. I actually have the pleasure of being his first subscriber and sharing his first video. This video involves the Waterbury Police Department in Connecticut. On November 9th, he was walking from the liquor store to the laundromat when he was stopped by Officer Tanganelli of the Waterbury Police Department, aka Officer right here. You guys do me a favor and watch his first ID refusal and go subscribe to his channel and let him know San Joaquin Audit sent you over. Let's check it out.
Right there.
707, okay.
Yes, sir.
I haven't did none, so, if I commit a crime or am I accused of I'll provide ID.
Well, we'll find out if you are actually the person I'm supposed to be talking to first.
All right.
If it is, then we'll have our conversation.
Yep. I don't commit crime, so I'm not going to be forced to provide ID, because then that's going into lawsuit territory.
That I'm talking to you?
No, if I'm forced to show my ID for something I didn't do nothing. I just came from the liquor store going back to the laundromat. It can't be me.
Okay,
There's no way.
You could be right. You absolutely could be right.
I see the news every day. You guys make mistakes every day, and this ends up in court and on the news.
I wouldn't listen to the news.
Okay. Cops shooting people in the back for no reason. Yeah, I won't listen to that. Mistaking their taser. Yeah, okay. There's guys that hang out here asking for change all day. It must be one of them. I mean,
Could be.
I would like to see that manager.
No. Okay. All right, sir. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
You're on purpose.
Alright, that's going to do it for today's video. Let me know your thoughts below in the comment section, and remember, you are protected under the 4th Amendment to not give up any of your papers if you have not committed a crime. Always remember to educate yourself and always film your police interactions. One last time, do me a favor and go subscribe to Tito Cruz if you have not already and let him know San Joaquin Audit sent you. I'll be back with another video tomorrow. Also, if you or a loved one has had an interaction with the police that you'd like me to share, feel free to send the video to my email, policeclip6@gmail.com. It may be featured in a future video on one of my channels.